There are luxury watches, and then there are timepieces that redefine what a watch even is. This isn't about Rolex or Omega. This is a $1 million watch, an object of such extreme craftsmanship, exclusivity, heritage that wearing it becomes a question of courage, not just style. The moment the box is placed on the table, you already feel the weight. Not just the literal weight of gold or platinum, but the invisible weight of value, legacy, and responsibility. This isn't just a timekeeping device. This is art. It's mechanical poetry. The unboxing alone feels ceremonial. The packaging is unlike anything you've ever seen. Sometimes crafted from exotic wood, hand-stitched leather, or even carbon fiber. It may come with white gloves. There's a sealed certificate of authenticity. And depending on the brand, it might be delivered not by courier, but by a representative of the brand itself. That's how rare these watches are. They're not shipped. They're escorted. When you lift the lid, it's like opening a vault. Light catches the curves of the case. Diamonds glint. Platinum reflects. Sapphire crystal gleams. You can't help but stare. The dial isn't just a face. It's a canvas. Miniature artwork. Hand-painted constellations, hand-carved dragon motifs, or grand complications like moon phases, perpetual calendars, and minute repeaters. All assembled by hand, sometimes over years. Most of these watches are made in quantities of 10, some just one. It's often built for a single client. The materials used are beyond premium. We're talking solid blocks of 18,000 rose gold. Cases encrusted with flawless baguette diamonds, or bezels made from meteorite fragments older than Earth itself. One of the most famous $1 million watches, the Patek Philippe Grandmaster Chime, has over 1,300 individual parts and took years to engineer. This level of watchmaking isn't just rare, it borders on insane. The movement, the beating heart of the watch is not hidden. It's displayed proudly through the caseback. The gears move in perfect harmony, and the engraving, so delicate, you'd need a microscope to see the artist's initials. Some of these watches even feature tourbillons, spinning regulators designed to counteract gravity's effect on time. Not necessary, but utterly beautiful. Now, here's the catch. The more complex the watch, the more delicate it becomes. Which brings us to the million-dollar question. Would you actually wear it? The answer is complicated, because this isn't just a fashion statement. It's an investment. Many of these watches actually appreciate in value over time. Think of them like rare art or vintage wine. The rarer it gets, the more valuable it becomes. That's why some owners keep them in vaults, some insure them for millions, and many never actually wear them outside of photo ops or private events. And who even buys a $1 million watch? Not just collectors. We're talking about CEOs, royalty, athletes, A-list actors, tech founders, crypto kings, and fashion icons. But often, it's not about flexing. It's about identity. Wearing a watch like this says, I value detail. I respect history. I live at a frequency most people can't hear. There's a psychology behind luxury like this. A $1 million watch isn't for telling time. It's about owning time. Freezing a moment in your success journey and strapping it to your wrist. That's what makes this experience so powerful. You're not buying an object. You're buying a story. One that only a few will ever be able to tell. But let us get honest. Wearing a $1 million watch in public, ESNT, just bold. It's risky. Theft is a real threat. Some watches are so exclusive, thieves will target them based on model alone. That's why many owners wear them only under tight security or on rare occasions. Others take replicas to events, while the real piece stays locked in a safe or private vault. And yet, despite all that, the desire remains, because nothing compares to the feeling of strapping on a masterpiece made just for you. Every glance at your wrist reminds you of how far you've come and how far you're going. Every detail, from the weight to the tick, is a reminder that this is no ordinary life. This is the ultimate conversation starter. It's the ultimate power move, the ultimate indulgence. And while most people might say, why not just buy a house? The ones who understand will smile, because a house sits in one place. A $1 million watch travels with you, lives with you, becomes part of you. So is it too pricey to wear? Or is it too powerful not to? Depends on who you are. Because in the world of ultra luxury, Owning $1 million watch is less about time and more about timing. And for those living at the peak of wealth, influence, and taste, this isn't over the top. This is exactly the point. In the end, unboxing a $1 million watch is more than just seeing what's inside the box. It's stepping into a world most will only dream of, and deciding, even for a moment, that you're worth it.